Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan.
With summer comes mangoes. When you see the tender mangoes, you're sure to want to taste tender mango pickles or nonche as we call it. So let's see the recipe for making nonche. Here I've got some very fresh tender mangoes. You can retain the stalks too, as they too give flavor to the pickle. You can trim them like this. I have washed and dried it under the fan. Now add these to a bowl. This is about half a kg. So I am adding about 50 grams of rock salt. You can also add table salt. Now toss and mix well. Also add about half a cup of pre-boiled and cooled water. You can either cover this tightly or transfer to a glass bottle. Remember, you have to use glass and not plastic containers for pickles. I have added this in a glass jar and will keep this now for 3 days. This is day 1. The mangoes have started to shed some water. Shake well and keep aside. This is day 2. You can see how they have changed color. I have included some fresh ones too to show the difference. So today on day 3, the tender mangoes are ready to be made into nonche. I have sun-dried these red chilies and this mustard dal. You can also use ordinary mustard. I have sun-dried the bottle in which I will store the pickle, even my mixer jar and the spoon that I am going to use, and this bowl too. First I shall pour out the water. This water I will use to grind the chilies to a smooth paste. I am keeping this water aside. Now adding the tender mangoes into the bowl. You can see how they have shrunk and let out their moisture content. Now taking about 100 grams of red chilies and 50 grams of the mustard dal, I shall grind these to a very smooth paste with the water I had kept aside. Now we shall add the ground paste to the mangoes. You can see this is slightly thick, so I shall add some more pre-boiled and cooled water in this jar and then add it to the mangoes. Now mix well. Add about half a spoon of hing and also check for salt. Add salt if required and mix thoroughly. Now transfer carefully to the sun-dried bottle. Now that we have bottled the pickle, use a piece of cloth dipped in sesame oil or til oil. Cover it this way and screw on the cover tightly. The oil helps in keeping the pickle good for a longer time. You can use this pickle now after a week or so. When you start to use the pickle, take a dry spoon and take out the required amounts in a small bowl. This should keep good for a year if handled carefully. Or if in doubt, keep it in your refrigerator. So go ahead and try this out. Happy pickling!
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.